Okay guys, back down the garage. Two things on the list tonight. One is to weld a lambda bung into the side of that exhaust over there so that we can get the AFR reading. And the second is, as I mentioned in last week's video, we're going to remove this ITB from the end here and re-weld this tab onto the bottom of here, just like you can see there, because obviously this is snapped off. So, roll the intro. I'm going to get the bench set up and I'll see you in a second. Okay, that is that welded. Actually done it in mild steel wire rather than stainless. As you can see, my welding is slowly getting better. Slowly. But right, I'm going to let that cool down. Whilst I'm letting that cool down, I'm going to swap the welder over to argon gas, because at the moment it's got CO2 mix and mild steel wire in it. So I'm going to put the Lumi spool in there and some pure argon on the back of the welder, and get that pulled off and get that on the table, and we'll give that a go. I'm fairly impressed with that, I'll be honest with you. Couple of hours with the MIG welder. Again, MIG welding aluminium, it's not the best way to do it, but it's what we've got down here, so it's the way we have done it. I'm going to show you that first. That's the shape we were trying to get, and I'll offer it up, and that's the shape we've got. Obviously we still need to drill out the hole and everything, but as far as the repair goes, for myself down the workshop and an hour's worth of I would say graft, but it wasn't really graft, an hour's worth of time, I'm pretty happy with that, to be honest. So what I've got to do now is bolt it back up to here, so that it obviously is in position. And I'm going to mount up the base plate onto the ITB so I can mark that hole, drill it, tap it, and that's hopefully one repaired ITB. So yeah, I guess I'll get this mounted up and I'll catch you in a bit. Okay, that's about it. I'm going to end this video off here, otherwise it's just going to continue time-lapsing for God knows how long, but that is it. Our intake is now fully bolted, fully gasketed and siliconed and all sorted, 100% ready for boost. Obviously we repaired the ITB, which I'm chuffed about, to be honest. That's bolted down really nice, so that was not a bad little repair there. So yeah, that's about it. Obviously the lambda bung's all welded on there as well, so that will be tucked away nicely around the back there, so you won't be able to see that. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Next one I've got in the post on the way is the alternator and the hoses for the radiator. So that's the next thing we'll tick off the list. The list is down there. I'll get it out at the beginning of the next video, but alternator, and that means then that we can run obviously the cooling belt for the water pump and everything else. So yeah, as always, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers guys.